Headlights, high beams, low beams, driver turn signal, passenger turn signal.
Show them right here in the video, right here too.
Turn signal in the mirror. Turn signal in the other mirror. Rear passenger turn signal, rear driver turn signal, all 3 brake lights, reverse lights, horn works, windshield wipers.
Here is our fuel gauge at 66. There's the RPM gauge. PSI 44, temperature 142 and 14 volts. One thing, when you fire this car up, it'll start up, it'll go to about 700-800 RPMs, then it'll idle up to about 18, maybe 2000. Just tap the pedal one time, then it idles down. Here's the sound system. Turn the knob. And that's your interior light, turning the knob. Jeff, you want to come over here? We're going to do the AC. There's your clock. Turn on the AC. It's just this top lever right here. Push it over. What's in there? Down in the low 40s. We're going to take this outside, Jeff. We're going to do the windows. That is the your gear shifter indicator right there. That's for your wipers, and that's for your window. The first one pushing down brings your driver window up. Second one over, pushing down, pushing up, and then here's your farthest one over is your passenger rear, going up, and this is your driver rear. Push down to go down, pull up to go up. Thank you for your business. Again, to turn off your center light, it's right in there. I'm going to show you your stuff in the trunk. All right, this is your battery tender. That's what triggers when the trunk comes down, that turns off the lights. But if you were going to leave your trunk open and you wanted to turn it off, there's a toggle switch right there we put in. So if you wanted to have your trunk open, you just flip that switch down. That's right there. And this is what plugs in. It's in this box. This plugs in, this male part plugs into the female part right here for your battery tender. Just pull the cap off. It just slides right in like that and locks. I'll leave that in the trunk for you, and then that just plugs into the wall, but that just gets tucked underneath. So that's the toggle switch. The trunk shuts down. This is the actual toggle switch that turns it off. So just put that back like that, tuck it in, and you're good to go.
Power antenna.
Finally arrived. Heading to Colorado.
This one is headed to Colorado.
Heading to Colorado.
I wish I was headed to Colorado.
And to put gas in it, turn it to the left, opens it, put it up, 12 o'clock, closes it. Underneath here, there's it right there. All right, this is your latch, and it's a tight fit. So I'm going to show you how to open it. You can see where the cutout is right there. I usually, where that cutout is, I usually just put my hand right up here. Jeff, show this up here. If you would, lift it like that. Tightly done. Push down on the corners, which is a typical on these vehicles. Sometimes that's pretty much it. Love this car. Sorry for the delay in the transportation and stuff, but wow, such a beautiful car. I'll watch you on the other side if you want. Happy anniversary. Enjoy enjoy this baby. I know you guys will. He said it might be tomorrow. If not, it'll be the next day. Got a little more back here. Got to go up more. You're not